Get ready to follow a water drop on the journey of a lifetime. Meet Drippy, the traveling water drop.
Hi, friends. I'm always moving, always on the go.
Water never stays in one place. It moves from land to air, then back again. This is called the water cycle.
And I'm right in the middle of it.
When sunlight warms the water,
I turn into vapor and rise up, up, up. Evaporation!
can you say evaporation?
Great job!
Hi, Drippy.
Brr! It's chilly up here. We're cooling off and becoming drops again.
That change is called condensation. Say it with me. Condensation.
Densation.
When the cloud gets too heavy,
We fall back to Earth as rain, snow, or hail. And that's precipitation.
you got it! Precipitation. And the whole cycle repeats every single day.
And soon, the sun will lift me again. And I'm back where I started. Evaporation, up to the sky. Condensation, clouds float by. Precipitation, raindrops fall. Water cycle, we do it all.
Round and round, forever we flow. The water cycle, now you know.
Evaporation, up to the sky. Condensation, clouds float by. Precipitation, raindrops fall. Water cycle, we do it all.
Round and round, forever we flow. The water cycle, now you know.
Thanks for learning with me. See you next cycle. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.